ready to give potential buyers the next best thing to an open house, all from the comfort of their couch. Today, we're diving into how to create a Zillow 3D home video, a game-changer for showcasing your property online. First, download the Zillow 3D Home app from your app store. It's free. Next, log in with your Zillow account. If you don't have one, you can easily create one. Now, the fun part: stand in a corner of your room, holding your phone steadily at chest level, start recording, and slowly rotate in a full circle, keeping the phone pointed towards the center of the room. The app will automatically stitch together the images as you go, creating a 3D scan of the room. Make sure to move slowly and steadily for the best results. Repeat this process for each room you want to include in your 3D home tour. The more rooms, the more comprehensive the virtual experience. Once you've scanned all your rooms, review your tour, and then hit the upload button. The app will process the images and upload them to your Zillow listing. Finally, go to your Zillow listing and make sure the 3D home tour is visible. This will give your listing a massive boost in engagement. You're all set to welcome virtual visitors who